This is a working Python.exe built with PyInstaller. Think the source code inside is secure? Let's extract it right now. Inside VS Code, we have our folder with the .exe file. Click the three dots at the top, select Terminal, then New Terminal, and clone PyInstaller using Git. PyInstaller is an open-source tool that unpacks PyInstaller executables to recover the compiled files inside. Next, drag pynstextractor.py out to the root, right next to your .exe file. Now, run python pynstextractor.py calculator.exe. This command runs the extractor against our executable. And just like that, the entire application is extracted into a new folder named calculator.exe_extracted. Inside the extracted folder, locate the compiled bytecode file ending in .pyc. This contains the core logic of the app, but it's not human-readable yet. To convert this bytecode back into Python code, we'll use PyLingual.io, an AI-powered Python decompiler. Navigate inside the extracted folder to locate your .pyc file. Then simply drag and drop it into the site. And just like that, PyLingual decompiles the file and gives you back the original Python source code. Click Download and save the file back into your main project folder as calculator.py. Finally, open calculator.py in VS Code. Decompilers can sometimes leave minor syntax artifacts or indentation issues like this one. To fix these minor errors instantly, open Gemini on the right next to VS Code on the left, and enter the prompt to clean up the syntax. Then, copy your code from VS Code on the left, paste it under the prompt in Gemini on the right, and hit send. In seconds, you get clean, error-free Python code. Copy the fixed code from Gemini. Switch over to VS Code. Paste it into your file. And save the changes. Now run the script. Our decompiled Python calculator works perfectly. That's how you reverse engineer Python bytecode using AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.